Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming model and installing the correct app. That matters because GHUB and options support different keyboards. Once done, plug the keyboard by USB to avoid wireless latency and close competing RGB software so profiles don't conflict. Open the Logitech app and allow device detection. If firmware prompts appear, run the update now. This initial step ensures full feature access and prevents color changes from being blocked by mismatched versions or background utilities. Now you'll build the lighting. Select the keyboard in the app and navigate to the lighting or illumination section. Choose whether you want a preset effect, per key customization, or a fully custom effect layer. Per key gives the most control while presets are faster. Use the color picker to set hues and tweak speed and brightness to taste. Make sure to stack layers correctly. Higher layers override lower ones, so the effect you expect is the one displayed on the hardware. Finish by saving the profile and choosing whether it goes to onboard memory or the cloud. Onboard keeps colors without the app, while cloud syncs across PCs. Apply the profile and verify the colors on the keyboard. If they don't appear, unplug and replug the USB, then reapply. If problems persist, update firmware, reinstall the Logitech app, or perform a keyboard reset. One key troubleshooting tip: conflicting RGB apps often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.